Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. So today I'm going to present a project entitled of Development of Model Marine Propulsion System for Teaching Aids. Before we go even further, we need to understand what is the propulsion system on board ship. Propulsion system is the most important system on a ship. There are many types of propulsion that we can find on board ship. The marine propulsion system has gone through many innovation and improvement, and it is a responsibility as a marine engineer, especially students, to have the idea or basic concept of the propulsion system. The objective of our project is to develop of a proper marine propulsion system as a teaching aid. And the second one is to improve the understanding of propulsion system. The problem statement of our project is the development of teaching aids still in lag, and they need to use the actual product. The second one, the actual product usually heavy and complicated and also is expensive. And the last problem statement is uh, mostly the teaching aids outside there is not suitable for newcomer students due to complicated system. Design and setup. So our project consists of three setup, which is the mechanical setup, the propeller, shaft, and the motor. The electrical setup, which is the speed motor controller, and the electronic setup, which is the tachometer, Arduino based. This is the design of our project. So here is the hull, and inside the hull, we can find the motor and shaft and the propeller. And here is the control panel, where the speed and the tachometer display is here.
Okay, before I start the demonstration of this project, I will introduce the control panel at this project. First of all, here, this is a disconnection for the circuit speed motor controller, and this for the tachometer Arduino. This is the direction forward and reverse, also off. This is the speed regulator. This is the voltmeter. This is the weight and load percentage. And this is the tachometer LCD. Okay. Inside the hull, we have the motor here. And this is the coupling that join the motor to the shaft. Also, we have the propeller, and we have the V bracket inside there. At the V bracket, we have the IR sensor, which is it will the bulb, white bulb is to transmit the signal for infrared, and the black bulb will receive the signal to measure or count the rotation of this propeller. Okay, to make sure this propulsion work, I use the one point of reflection instead of the propeller, because it can measure the more accurate for one rotation. And this green net is to as a safety purposes. So that's all. Let's start the demonstration. First of all, turn off this disconnection switch, and we can start we can on the power source. You can see the sensor here is function. So we go to the forward direction, then we can regulate the speed. First of all, we go to the 20% of load percentage. You can see here the RPM goes to about 4,000 something. We go to the 50 load percentage, 50%. We can know the volt here. We can see the speed. We can right now we go to the 100 load percentage.
So this is the result of our project after various testing. Here and on the left side is the RPM, and on the right side is the voltage. As you can see, the RPM and the voltage is directly proportional, which means if the RPM is increasing, the voltage also increasing. The conclusion of our project is this project is suitable for teaching module to show propulsion system running at real ship to the student. From the tachometer, we get the result of the shaft rotating reading. That's all from me. Thank you.